Hello everyone, in today's video we will see the new feature of Zerodha, which is a kill switch feature which is provided with the main aim of stopping people from overtrading, because once a person start overtrading, it's blow up its own account. So it's very important to trade within a limit. So let's see how to enable and disable these features, and what are the advantages and disadvantages. So let's see. After logging into your Zerodha account, you will see this interface. So first go to console. At the left side, okay, wait a second. At the top corner, you can see account. Click on account. At the left side, you can see segments. I have equity, NSE BSC, futures option, NSE BSC, NSE BSC, exchange. All the features are enabled in my account. So if you overtrade or incurred a heavy loss and you want to stop yourself from trading for the next 12 hours, I will explain you later that for how many hours this feature stops you from further trading. Okay. So for example, because the main loss or the big amount lost is always on futures and option. In cash segment equity, the chances are very low that you will lose a big amount or blow up your own account. The main reason is futures and options. So, and the mainly is NSE, because we don't trade at BSC, we mostly trade at NSE. So for example, I am disabling my this currency exchange. So click on this. I have disabled. Now continue. Now here you can see once deactivated, segment can only be reactivated after 12 hours, or all orders triggered by GTT basket stock SIP will be rejected. You will not be able to trade in the deactivated segment until they are reactivated. If I click on continue, then this segment features will be deactivated for the next 12 hours, means almost a one trading day. If I disable today, then definitely I can resume it at tomorrow trading session. So this feature is good if you are over traded or incurred a heavy loss, and to stop from further losing or blowing up your account. This is a good feature. But what if there was a good opportunity and you can't grab only because you have disabled the this trading segment? Means, for example, the benefit is that you will not trade further for the next one trading day, and the disadvantage is like at the morning, my view for LIC was that it will go up to this level, means 477. Then I purchase it at every drop, means I purchased this at 72, then it came down and incurred a heavy loss. Then again I purchased at this level 72. It may go up a little bit, but again it's down. So due to this, and assume that we are trading in future, so due to this only two trades I may incur a loss of 10,000 or 15,000, and I deactivate this segment because I don't want to further lose. But after studying the chart, I conclude that no, I was wrong. It may drop down a bit more. So I wanted to trade and short sell at this point 71 or 72, at the range of 71 72 471. uh, but when I place the order to short sell these stocks at future, this will show an error, pop up an error that the segment you are trying to trade at is disabled in your account. So I may loss and great opportunity to short sell and make up a profit, because if I incurred a loss of 10 to 15,000 at this point, then I can also recover more than 10 to 15,000 at this point. But I can't trade because I have already disabled my trading segment through the use of kill switch feature at Zerodha. So means every feature has its cons and pros, but you have to decide whether cons are more powerful or pros are more powerful. So this is it, the kill switch feature of Zerodha. So thank you.